here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing another Q&A video. I do not know when was the last time, but I'm doing it again. I posted a comment on 2 of my videos. I'm gonna start with the first video that I posted that comment. I will do my best to answer like maraming questions. So maybe this video is gonna be long. Maybe I will do dalawang videos depending sa mga questions dito. So I will start from Honey Lavilla. If ever po hindi nursing tinake mo po, ano po yung napipicture nyo na future career nyo if ever? Thank you, I love you. Love you too, thank you. To be honest with you guys, hindi ko alam. Kasi when I was in college, I was like picturing myself na magiging nurse ako kapag like, you know, kapag nakagraduate na ako, kapag nakapasa na ako. And I did that. Nakagraduate ako, nakapasa ako ng exam. I was a licensed nurse, but I never worked as a nurse. Wala akong experience as a nurse. Right after ko tinake yung board exam, I applied sa call center right away. And yung pinakaunang kumpanya na na-applyan ko, natanggap ako agad-agad. So it was call center na. And then after call center, trabaho ako as a virtual assistant. And then after that, nagpunta ako sa US, sa Cayman. Paminsan-minsan parang pumapasok siya sa utak ko na I will study, but like right now, kontento kasi ako sa kung ano yung ginagawa ko and basta okay lang sa akin. So hindi ko talaga alam kasi I studied as a nurse tapos I'm not a nurse. So if I didn't study as a nurse, I'm not sure kung ano yung mangyayari. I don't know. Hindi ko siya ma-picture. Hindi ko alam. From Princess Ashley Tejerero. Hi, Ate Reyes, nagbabasa ka po ba ng mga books? If yes, ano yung favorite book niyo? No. I love you too and God bless you too. Pero I don't. Wala akong time magbasa ng books. And siguro kahit na may time ako, hindi ako magbabasa kasi hindi ako mahilig magbasa. From Omen, holy shit. If tatapon na lahat ng makeup mo and you have to choose one makeup product that is going to be with you forever, what is it, Reyes? One lang? As in one lang talaga? Lip tint. Yeah. Okay lang sa akin na hindi magsuot ng makeup. Pero, kailangan ko mag-add ng lip tint kasi yung lips ko, yun, tsaka. From Jade Fukaya. Hello po, Ate Reyes. Nakikita ko sa mga comments na iba, sinasabi po nila na giging OA at nagbago ka na raw simula nang tumira ka sa Australia. Ano po bang masasabi nyo dun? Thanks and more power po. Love your videos. Thank you so much. Wala akong masasabi dun. Hindi ko naman kasi mapipilit yung iba ko anong iisipan nila. So, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. From Preshi Mac. Hi, Ate Reyes. I've been following your channel for more than a year. Any tips for YouTube newbies on how not to be too self-conscious with themselves on camera? More power. Magiging conscious ka talaga, especially kapag nagsisimula ka pa, kasi di mo alam kung ano iisipin ng mga tao kapag nalaman nila na you're uploading videos. So, sanayan lang kasi yan. And then, mapapansin mo na lang na hala, sanay na ako, and hindi ka na ganun ka conscious. From Irish Caitlin, ano favorite lipstick mo po? 5 lipsticks. Yung Stila na Stay All Day, nabigay sa akin ni Catherine from the Fabzilla here on YouTube. It's not my number 1. This is random ha, hindi siya like number 1 yun. And then I have been using Minaw lip glosses. Ito is a combination of, I forgot the shades, basta kino-combine ko sila kasi ang dami kong shades, so nakakapaglaro ako. I can't say it's my favorite, but I have been using it lately, so siguro lately siya yung favorite ko, not my all-time favorite. Hindi ganun ka okay yung formula niya. Yung Minaw din na liquid lipstick na ginamit ko nung pumunta ako sa party, yun, gusto ko din siya. That one is my go-to nude lipstick. I really like that one. And then lip tint, hindi siya lipstick, pero I have been using the KJM lip tint. KJM ba yun? RMK? KJM lip tint. And then fifth will be, hindi ko alam. Yun lang yung maalala ko, pasensya. From Fides Serrano, what is your favorite Aussie dish? I don't have a favorite Aussie dish. Wala. Kinakain ko sila, but wala akong paborito. Pinoy food ako all the way. From Eva Ricamara, ask ko again, may plan pa ba kayo ni Dan magpunta dito sa Japan or what? And kailan if ever meron? Kasi before napanggit mo sa vlog mo, napunta kayo dito, excited lang. Definitely not this year. I'm not sure about next year, pero hindi ko pa alam talaga about sa Japan. From Jessie Lopez, kailan ka meet and greet sa Cebu? Tagalano del Norte viewer po nyo ako. Sana makapunta ako sa meet and greet mo soon. Wow! Di ko alam. I will go home in December, but I'm not sure if makaka-meet and greet ako doon. Pero thank you sa comment mo. I love you. From I, Ofiana, how do you manage your time in a day? Being a wife, working, YouTube editing, and filming. It's not easy. It's really not. Pero na-answer ko na ito sa previous Q&A ko, malaking tulong na yung asawa ko is hindi siya pabigat. So, tumutulong siya. Pero hindi siya madali talaga. Pero kung gugustuhin mo, gagawin mo. Kung mahal mo, gagawin mo. From Joyce Ganasha, saan niyo po mas gusto, sa Pilipinas or sa Australia? Both. Like, wala akong maiko-compare sa Pilipinas kapag nasa Pilipinas ako. Iba talaga yung saya sa Pinas, pero gusto ko din naman yung Australia. Hindi ko sila mako-compare kasi, like, you know, kapag nandito ako, masaya din naman talaga ako. Pero kapag nandun ako, iba din talaga yung saya ko. So, from Camille Bianca Timbol, what gave you the strength to just leave everything behind? Not in a bad way, you know what I mean, and move to another country. I feel like I can't handle such a drastic change even if I want to. You're so brave and strong for doing what you want. Di naman ako super young, I'm 25, but I can't even sleep over to a friend's house without my mom bombarding me with questions. What more if I move to a different city? So, nung college na ako, I have to move to the city talaga para mag-aral kasi walang university na malapit sa amin. So, at the age of 15, I was 15 when I was in college, I moved out. Char, parang ang OA. Parang I move out. Hindi. So, kailangan ko mag-move sa city and dun tumira and just go home every weekend. So, 15 pa lang ako. Nasa city na ako nakatira. And yung bahay namin is 1 hour away from the city. So, umuwi lang ako every weekend. And then, after nung college, nagtrabaho ako. So, sa city na naman ako kasi dun yung work ko. So, you know, I've always been independent. I've always been away from home. And high school pa lang ako, gusto ko na talaga pumunta sa ibang bansa. And my dream was to go to the US. And nung pagdating ko na doon, sabi ko, ito ba talaga yung dream ko? Bakit hindi ako ganun kasaya? Kasi I wasn't really that happy when I was there. Yung parents ko, okay lang naman. I think they trust me naman. They trust us naman. Like, my sister now is in New Zealand. And like, you know, they know that we're not gonna do something crazy. From Miguel or Sal. Hi, Ate Reyes. Yung question ko po is, nung una po kayo nagkasahod, when and how much? I was, how old? 20? Hindi ko na maalala. I think 7,000? 7,000 ata yun? Or after nun yung training. Siguro mas malaki kasi nag-training kami. Hindi pa kami binayaran during training. After na ng training kami binayaran. So, I think mas malaki doon. Hindi ko maalala daw. Pero yun, sa call center. From Maria Carla. Hi, Reyes. My question is, how do you manage your finances? And who's managing your finances? How do I manage my finances? Like, my own finances? I don't know. Like, hindi ko alam kung paano siya sagutin. Kasi yung bills namin, like, wala namang nagbago sa bills namin. Ano lang, si Dan pa rin yung nagbabayad. Kasi routine na niya, diba? Like, before pa ako dumating, siya na talaga nagbabayad lahat ng bills. So, hanggang ngayon, siya pa rin nagbabayad. Though, like, yung, kung saan nanggagaling yung ibabayad is like, pera na namin dalawa. Kasi, like, joint siya. So, nandun na lahat. Pero siya yung like physically nagbabayad. Like, pupunta ako sa website para bayaran to. Siya lahat. Kasi ayoko i-break yung routine na baka magkamali pa ako or baka makalimutan ko pa. So, kung ano na yung routine niya, siya na. So, yeah, hindi ko alam kung nasagot ko ng tama yung tanong. Pero, yun yung ginagawa namin. From It's Jessa May. Hi, Dai. I don't know if na-answer na ba ni Nemo or what, but I just want to know. Was it hard for you to adjust nga nag-move ka there, Char? Like, sa culture and everything. Hope you answer my question. Cebuana YouTuber here, been a fan since forever. Love you. Thank you. Hindi siya ganun kahirap. And para sa akin, tayong mga Pinoy, sobrang bilis natin mag-adjust. Sobrang galing natin mag-adjust na hindi siya, na okay lang siya. From Zine Visible Thread, do you miss your family in the Philippines? When do you plan to visit them? Yes, of course. Of course, yung mga kapatid ko, yung mama ko, yung papa ko. Babalik kami sa December. From Rizel Tumampok. Hi, Ate Reyes. Bakit parati ka pong hinihingal kapag nagsasalita? Papa GB lang. Hindi ko din alam. Kulang siguro ako sa exercise. From Clans Ugsang. Who is your best friend and what is your biggest fear? My best friend is si Danny Boy. And yung biggest fear ko, I don't know. I don't want to answer that. I don't want to answer that. Sorry. From Mika Ella. Hi, Ate Reyes. Umaattend po ba kayo ng CFO seminar bago kayo pumunta ng Australia na engaged na kayo na Dan? Kasi need kapag fiancé or husband ay foreigner. I don't even know kung ano yung CFO seminar. Ano yung... Hindi ko alam. Sorry. Wala akong seminar na inatinan. Wala. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. From Leia May Bautista, if ever po, in the future nyo po ni Kuya Dan na magkaanak po, saan nyo po gusto tumira? Philippines or Adelaide? Adelaide. Thank you po and we love you both. Adelaide. Mas magiging madali lang para sa amin na dito. So, dito lang muna kami. From Jenny Sakamoto, nag-away na po ba kayo ng hubby mo? If yes, dumating na po ba sa punto na hindi nagkibuan the whole day? And who said sorry first? Thanks and stay pretty. Yeah, nag-away kami sobrang minsan lang. And ako yung hindi kumikibo kay Dan. Si Dan yung laging kinukulit ako. Ano nangyari? Mag-usap tayo, mag-usap tayo. And hindi siya umabot ng isang araw. Siguro mga 5 minutes lang ako hindi kumikibo. No, siguro mga pinakamahaba, 1 oras. Hindi umabot ng 1 araw. Kasi si Dan, lagi niyang inaayos lahat. Agad-agad. So, yeah. From Mrs. B, if given a chance of free LASIK, are you willing to do the procedure or just want to keep wearing glasses and contacts? Ito guys gusto ko sana. Noon, iniisip ko, magpapalasik ako kasi hindi ko talaga kaya kapag walang contacts or walang glasses. Like, very blurry talaga siya. So, I started like reading about LASIK and all that. And based sa mga nabasa ko, yung mga nagpapalasik is sobrang taas ng grade ng mata nila. Like, 500. Yung iba, sobrang taas na talaga. And ako, yung grade ko, 175 lang. Sabi ko, bakit hindi ako makakita? Nakakaloka. Parang siguro too early for me para magpa-LASIK kasi yun lang yung grade ng mata ko. Yung iba, parang yung case kasi nila sobrang taas ng prescription nila kaya sila nagpapa-LASIK. Ako, 175. Ako lang ba? Or hindi ko alam. Wala pa akong nabasa or siguro iba lang yung mga nababasa ko. Pero wala pa akong nabasa nagpa-LASIK na 175 lang yung prescription. From Mrs. B again, did you ever take off your jewelry, rings, earrings, bracelet, etc. before bed? Just notice you still wear your ring in bed. What kind of jewelry cleaner do you use for cleaning? I only remove my wedding ring and my engagement ring kapag naliligo ako. But the rest, they stay. Well, I take off my necklace sometimes. Pero these days, lagi ko nang sinusuot yung necklace ko kapag naliligo ako. Kapag natutulog ako, sinusuot ko sila. So, I don't take it off kapag natutulog ako. Kaya I wear really small earrings. From Shein Ryodike, ano po may advice nyo sa mga kagaya ko na fresh grad na hindi alam kung paano magiging independent? I admire you po kasi na parang at such a young age, sobrang independent and naka-work agad abroad. Thank you po and God bless. Ano kasi, guys, so when it comes to being independent, hindi mo naman kasi malalaman kung kaya mo hanggat hindi mo in the try. Like, I was 15. I moved out. Siguro mga first 2 weeks noon, hindi pa kami naka-uniform, diba? Kasi nursing, we have uniform. First 2 weeks, hindi pa kami naka-uniform kasi nga, freshman, ganun-ganon. No first week na kailangan na namin mag-uniform and then I realized, kasi 3 lang yung uniform ko, guys. On a Wednesday, I realized, I was like, hindi pala ako marunong maglaba. Kasi nung bata pa kami, hindi naman kami naglalaba. Meron kaming tagalaba. Like, hindi ko alam kung ano yung sabon yung gagamitin. And sobrang puti pa ng uniform ko. So, I had to text my mom. Like, paano ba to? Hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin ko. And, yeah, so sabi niya, maglagay ka ng tubig, ano mo siya, ibabad mo siya, gano'n. I was like, and after nun, alam ko na kung paano maglaba. Like, hindi mo malalaman na kaya mo hanggang sa itatry mo. From Tammy C, ilang taon na po si Bella. Super cute kasi niya. Si Bella is yung aso ng mama at saka ng stepdad ni Dan. Ano siya, I think 9 years na siya, 10 years, or maybe more than that. Hindi ko alam. I-update ko sa vlog ko kapag nalaman ko. Pero meron din kasing isang aso, yung kambal ni Dan, may aso siya, and I think yun yung 9 or 10 years. Hindi ko sure. I-update ko sa vlog ko kung kapag nalaman ko na. From Arturo Sergio, balak niyo po ba i-petition family niyo dyan sa Australia? To be honest with you guys, wala akong balak na gawin yung mga ganyan. Hindi ko goal na hala pupunta ako sa ibang bansa para madala ko yung pamilya ko. Kasi okay naman kami dun. Okay naman yung buhay nila. Kung gusto nila pumunta dito, like legit gusto talaga nila, tutulungan ko sila. Okay na okay sila dun. Nandun yung buhay nila. Bakit ko sila papaalisin? Pero kung gusto nila, tutulungan ko sila. Diba? Yun. Pero I don't think gusto nila na tumira dito. Gusto ko na mag-visit dito yung parents ko, pero I don't think they wanna live here. From Nikki Daramayo, hi Race, nasabi mo sa isang vlog mo na you're planning your future before having kids. Mga ilang taon balak niyo bago magka-baby? I'm so excited to see little Race and Dan. And ano po pala agenda ng sisi mo sa New Zealand? Curious lang. My sister is working there na. So, she studied there for I think a month and then now she's working. Naplano naman namin yung future namin. So, naplano na namin kung kailan. Hindi pa lang kami ready sabihin kung kailan. Like, Yeah, basta kapag ganyan na, like, you know, pagbubuo na ng pamilya, we take it very, very seriously. Lalo na si Dan, ayaw niya na i-share masyado yung about sa pagpaplano namin kung kailan namin gustong you know, yeah. Sorry. From Christine De La Cruz. Hi, Ate Race. Shout out po. Avid fan po ako. My question is, when you started YouTube, how was it? How long did it take before you got your first pay? And any tips for a new YouTuber like me po? Does sub-to-sub comment annoy you? No, it doesn't annoy me. I already mentioned it in my previous video na it doesn't really annoy me. Well, I don't really have time to read comments all the time. And, when I do, nakikita ko yung mga sub-to-sub comments. I don't delete them because okay lang sa akin. Like, if you think that's gonna help your channel, then do it. I'm not gonna stop you from doing it. I know it annoys some people, pero para sa akin, like, you gotta do what you gotta do. Like, you know, para ma-earn mo yung subscriber na yan. Kasi I used to do that. I didn't do sub-to-sub comments before because wala naman yung sub-to-sub. I used to message people privately, and I think that's more annoying. I don't remember when I got my first pay because I didn't really care about the pay. I didn't even know na magkakapera ka sa YouTube when I started. Because I was with Style Haul, yung kita ko is dumadaan sa Style Haul, tapos Style Haul pay me. Sobrang tagal ko natanggap yung first pay ko kasi wala akong PayPal. And kailangan ng Style Haul ng PayPal or bank account something. And I was very careful with my bank account kasi ayoko siya na nililink sa kung saan-saan. Kahit na Style Haul is very trusted naman. Pero ayoko i-link yung bank account ko sa kanila. Kasi yung PayPal account, kailangan ko din mag-connect ng bank account para makakreate ako ng PayPal account. So, nung nagtrabaho na ako sa US, meron akong company card. Kasi credit card siya. Yung akin kasi debit card. And nandun lahat ng savings ko kasi ayoko siya i-link sa kung saan-saan. So, nung nagka-company credit card ako, yun yung nilink ko sa PayPal ko. And I think it was like 4K. 4K lang siguro yun, guys. So, galing siya sa when I started with Style Haul hanggang siguro 1 taon. Tapos I stopped. Yeah, 4K yung pinakaunang sweldo ko. From Mix Art Chicks, are you ready to become a mom? I think I am. I love kids. Sobra. As in, I'm not sure kapag nandun na ako kung ready ba talaga ako. Kasi sino magiging ready, diba? Like, especially if first time mo. Parang feeling mo ready ka na, pero pagdating doon, parang wow, ang hirap pala. Yeah. So, hindi ko alam. That is going to be the last question for the first part. I will be doing a part 2, like right now, if you film ko siya right now, but you will see it in the next few days. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Salamat sa mga nag-leave ng questions. Guys, I just want to say thank you. As in, sobrang thank you. I love you guys. I love you. Sobrang dami ko pang kailangan na basahin, tapos nag-comment pa ako sa isang video pa. So, I will film the part 2 right now. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like this. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Do not forget to hit bye.